In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest and make daily Amazon commissions without spending a single dollar on ads. It's 100% possible, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Pinterest is a gold mine for free traffic, and when you combine it with Amazon affiliate links, you can create a passive income stream that works on autopilot. In this video, I'll break down step by step how to find the right products, create viral pins that drive clicks, and how we can use Pinterest strategy that keeps making you money long term. Stick around because this strategy can completely change your affiliate marketing game. And let's get started. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 5 years, and I'm making over $15,000 every single month. In this video, I'll show you how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest the right way to earn commissions. And as you can see over here, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, and just in 14 days, okay, as you can see here, I made $7,169, okay, just by promoting my affiliate links using completely free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Pinterest. Okay, so step number one for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one with Amazon. Okay, so what you will do, super easy, just go to Google and search for Amazon Associates, click on the first link over here, and what you will do next, click over here on sign up and click on create your Amazon account. And here you go. The sign up process to Amazon affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name and your email and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to follow a few steps, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. You should see here, let me show you, you should see your summary here, commissions and bounties over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable product that you will start promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. This business doesn't work like this. You guys need to do research and to find good product that will make you commissions that people are already searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so what we will do, we will go and open our Pinterest account. So if you don't have Pinterest account, you need to go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. It's super easy and it's for free, guys. You can search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's better to create a business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to go back to Google and you need to search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link, and you will be directly in this website over here. So we will use this website to see what's trending on Pinterest, which products people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so this will be your home page. If you scroll down, before you scroll down, you guys can see here a region, and you can choose which country you want to see the product that are trending inside this country. So you can choose a specific country. So for example, if you want to choose United States, you have Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so much more. I'm gonna choose United States like this, and here you go. You can see here top trends in United States this month. Those are the products that are trending on Pinterest in this month. Those are the product topics that people are searching for in this month in United States. Okay, you guys can see we have here Valentine's Day nails. We have this one nails. We have Valentine's nails. If we scroll more, if you scroll more, you can see here discover trends in United States. Okay, so let's choose one of those keywords. Let me show you. We have Valentine's Day's nails. You guys can see the graph of those keywords. Okay, it's just keep going up. It's trending, but Valentine's Day is about to end, so I will scroll more and I will try to find a good keyword that will be still trending. Okay, we have pink. You guys can see this one, pink nail. Okay, pink nails. This keyword, do you see the graph? It's just it's going up, which is really good. Let's choose this one. pink nail. I will just click on the keyword that you want to see so we can see more data. Okay, we will be in this page, Pinterest trend in United States. We have pink nails here, and we will click here on date, and we will choose past 3 months, and that's really good. Like, this one is amazing. You guys can see this one, it's just keep going up. So you see the graph of pink nails. People search for this keyword in Pinterest. You see this, pink nails. So what I will do, this one is good for me. I will copy this keyword and I will go back to Amazon, go and open Amazon like this, amazon.com, click on the search for this product, search for pink nails, okay, like this. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of products here on Amazon, a lot of sellers who provide those products. What you will do next, you need to choose a good product. How we can choose good products? Always choose product that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. For example, like this one got over 2,000 sales in the past month. Over 2,000 people paid for this products in the past month. Like, this one is good. Okay, I will scroll more and we can find a lot of more products here. Okay, do you see, like those products here, over 5,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one also over 5,000 people paid for those products. Like, those products are good. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see this one that I shows you here. Okay, I'm gonna choose, guys, this one. I think this one is a really good one. This one, over 5,000 people paid for this one in the past month, which is good. Like, this one is good. I will click on the product. Just click on the product that you want to choose, and here you go. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon. What you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest and click here, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed and click on create pin, like this. Okay, and here you go. You need to create good eye-catching pins that you will use to promote those Amazon product on Pinterest. So what you will do, you will use Canva to create a good eye-catching pins pictures. Go to Google, search for Canva. This will be your homepage. You can sign up using your email address. It's for free. Search for, click on the search of Canva, search for Pinterest pin. Search for this keyword, Pinterest pin. And here you go. If you scroll down, you will find a lot of templates about Pinterest pins that you guys can use, okay, to promote Amazon affiliate products on Pinterest. Okay, you can create your own pictures, so you will not have any problems with Pinterest. If you are making your own pictures, you will be good. So for example, let me choose one of those pictures. So for example, guys, I'm gonna use this picture pin, this picture pin here. Okay, Pinterest pin picture. Just click on the picture that you want to use and click here on customize this template. Just click on customize this template and you will be in this page over here where you can edit your Pinterest pin picture. You guys can see what you will do next. You will go back to this Amazon product page, click on this picture, click on the picture here about this product, double click and click on save image and save this picture to your laptop. And you have a lot of pictures that you can use. You have different pictures here. See, we have also this one here and we have this one here, but I will use this picture. So what I will do next, I will go back to Canva. I will click on this picture here, delete image. I will click on upload. I will click on upload file and I will upload the picture that I download from Amazon. This one for Pinterest for pink nails. I'm gonna click on the picture and I will put this picture here like this. So what I need to do, I need to put here a good title. I'm gonna delete this one first and I will delete this one here. We need to put good picture, a good title here. So what we will do, we will go to Amazon, to this Amazon product page. We will copy this title, and what we will do next is we will use AI to create a good SEO Pinterest pin title, okay, that we can use also in our pictures. So what you need to do next is just go to ChatGPT. We will use AI. ChatGPT, it's for free. You guys can go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and you can use it for free if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business. It's very powerful and it will help you a lot to scale your affiliate marketing business. Open your ChatGPT account like this and ask him, turn this title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO. And they will put this product title here and ChatGPT will do a good work. Okay, let's see. And here you go. Do you see this? You have a good picture. I'm gonna use just this one, the first one here. I'm gonna use this part for the picture, for my Pinterest pin picture, and they will go back, delete this, and they will put this title here. I'm gonna decrease the size of this text like this, and here you go. You guys, if you give it time, you can design a good eye-catching pins just by using Canva, okay? That will get clicks. You need to give it time, because those pictures are very important. After you finish, you can click on share and click on download. You have the idea, you can go and improve it, okay? Give it time, design good pictures that you can use. After you download this picture pin to your laptop, go back to Pinterest and click over here and upload your picture. This is my picture about Pinterest pin. You guys can see here. Okay, you see this? So what I will do next, I need to put title here. I will go back to ChatGPT. I already have a title here, okay? I just need to copy this title like this. I will go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Description, go back to ChatGPT and ask him, make pin description from this title. Ask him to make a Pinterest pin description from this title and you will get a good and professional description. You see this? That's really amazing. AI, very fast, guys. You don't need to keep waiting, keep doing research. Just use AI, okay? Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. So here you need to put your affiliate link. Of course, you will not put your affiliate link directly on Pinterest. If you do this, your Pinterest will not get clicks and your accounts, you might get suspended. So it's better to use an affiliate website or a landing page or a blog, okay? And you can use it here to grow and start promoting affiliate links safe way with no problems. So to get your affiliate link, you will need to go back to this Amazon product page and click here on get link. Click on get link. This is your Amazon affiliate link. You need to copy this link, put this link inside your blog or landing page that you are using or affiliate website, then put your affiliate website link here. For example, like this. For me, I will put my Amazon affiliate link here and scroll down, click on choose a board. And you just need to, if you have new account, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. So here you need to put tags. Go back to Pinterest trend, to this Pinterest trend account, copy those keywords. You have here pink nails. If you scroll down, you have related trends and you have more keywords that you can use. You have pink, greeny nails. We have few nails ideas and those keywords. Copy all those keywords. Go back to Pinterest, put those keywords here, click on publish, and here you go. And that's it. You just published your first Pinterest pin picture on Pinterest, okay? That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. You guys can see it's super easy and simple. Already people promoting those Pinterest, promoting those products. You see here, which is really good. So that's it. If you guys are interested to see more videos like this, comment Amazon affiliates in this video. Also for people who want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you guys to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Pinterest, and Quora, YouTube Shorts, and more. You will get access to all my profitable and product that I'm promoting. You will get access to all my method strategies that I'm using and so much more. Also, we do provide support. Me and my team, we will follow up with you until you understand everything and more. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.